Alright guys, we're back again at the REIT Place RaceWay. And if you've watched any of our recent videos with this WL124008, you'll know that we put some carbon fiber shock towers on it after bashing the crap out of her. She looks beauty. She looks beauty. But this is just a shakedown run. This is our track car. Pretty much stock configuration. We're using a Dumbo, well, Surpass. And we got a 3S in her, the one that come with it, but it doesn't need it. It's way overpowered for the track, for bashing it. Can't really beat this car. I think the brushed version is under 100. This one's right in that 110, 120 range. But for ready to run, WL did a good job with this car. Hard to brake, and you see that? See, this is why you do test run. Shock come out. I must not have tightened it tight. So anyways. Yeah, that really roll like that. Anyways. So that was a quick rip. We'll get another nut on there. Maybe we'll get another shot of it in a little while. So I was saying this car is best bang for your buck. Best bang for your buck. WL does some nice cars. They're not quite as plasticky as a lot of others, but this one is. This is the closest thing to like your MJX Go. Use the same kind of batteries. Probably a hybrid, but I dig it. It's beauty. And like I was saying, the brushed one, get that for under 100, throw a $20 3650 in there, and you got probably a 70 to 80 mile an hour car right out the box. Well faster than this. So if you're looking for speed, I would go that way. But if you're looking for out the box 3S all around good rig, this is the one you want. She's pretty. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate all ya. Appreciate all ya. Anyway, I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace. Alright, let's try this again. So, I lost the shock, and I decided let's get it fixed. So I took the LC spacers that were left over after doing the upgrade on our LC12 and put them in there on these carbon fiber shock towers, and they fit perfect. Hopefully it'll eliminate all my problems. We'll get it out there for another quick rip, and we'll call it a day. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend, because I know I am. Got pizza coming. The kids are over. They're all in the house right now, playing with Grandma. Wheel in. You know, I haven't gotten the blower out yet. I kind of like the leaf effect. There's not a lot of sticks, so that's okay. So like and subscribe, guys. We'll get a head-to-head out with the LC12B and this WL with Lauren. They're both pretty much same motors, same ESC, same size ESC. I got a feeling I got some rope stuff in there. And I'll let Lauren pick which car she wants. She most likely will pick this because this is her car. But, you know, whatever. LC's actually a little slower, but that's only because we run 2S on that. This is 3S. Anyways. So, like and subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Insane in the bed braid. Insane got no braid.